How to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can find out if someone has taken a screenshot of our Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you think that someone has taken a screenshot of your Instagram story, if you open up Instagram and then you have uploaded a certain story and then you want to find out who has screenshotted, well, unfortunately Instagram does not give you the option. Even if you yourself took a screenshot of someone's story here, it will not notify Instagram and let them know that you took a screenshot of their story. Now it will notify them if you took a screenshot of disappearing messages or something like that, but story is a public matter that your followers will be able to see, screenshot, download, or whatever else they want, so you won't be able to go ahead and then remove them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.